Starting an embroidery business in South Africa can be an exciting and rewarding venture. Here are some steps to help you get started. Research the market and competition. Before starting any business, it's important to research the market and competition to understand the demand for your services and how you can differentiate yourself from your competitors. Develop a business plan. A business plan will help you outline your goals, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap to help you stay on track as you start and grow your business. Choose a location. Consider the location of your business carefully, as this will have a significant impact on your success. Look for a location with easy access to transportation and a visible storefront. Register your business. Register your business with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission (CIPC) in South Africa. This will help you comply with the legal requirements for starting a business. Secure funding. Determine the startup costs for your business and secure funding through loans, grants, or personal savings. Purchase equipment and supplies. Purchase embroidery machines, thread, hoops, needles, and other necessary supplies to start producing high-quality embroidery designs. Build your portfolio. Start creating embroidery designs to showcase your skills and build your portfolio. You can also offer samples to potential clients to help market your business. Develop a marketing strategy. Develop a marketing strategy that includes social media, word of mouth, and local advertising to help promote your business. Hire employees. As your business grows, you may need to hire employees to help with production, marketing, and customer service. Starting an embroidery business in South Africa requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to providing high-quality products and services to your clients. With these steps in mind, you can set yourself up for success and create a thriving embroidery business.